What up, everybody? Welcome to Pismo Beach. I'm gonna take you around this whole spot and show you where everything's at, where the restaurants, fun games, all that stuff. Let's check it out. All right, here's some of the restaurants here at Pismo Beach. Most of them are up to the top of the street here. You got pretty much everything you want. You got a little cafe, you got Italian, you got Mexican. You go have some drinks. Let's check them out. All right, so this is Giuseppe's. This is actually one of the more popular places here in town. Take your lady friend, you feel me? All right, so this is the corner you're gonna wanna turn on. This is called Pomeroy. You go down here, and that's where pretty much the main street is, where you go check out the beach and all the shops. All right, so this is a bowling alley. It's a real small one. Most people don't know it's even here. As you can tell, it's not. You can't even hear nothing. Let's check it out real quick. So you got little arcades and stuff. You want to come play some arcades over here. Restaurant, you can get some food. And as you can see, they got a bowling alley back there.
Cousins, and we are about to play this game right here.
These are the best games in town, or what?
Yeah.
Well, don't forget your stack of money right there. And another secret spot you can check out is this spot right here. They also got pool tables. They got a little pizzeria and things like that. Little gift shop. Let's go check it out. So they got the restaurant all blocked up right here. You guys can still come and eat. Pizza over here to your left. All right, so this is called Hot Shots Family Entertainment Center. You come here, you want to come play some pool. It might be shut off, but we'll see. First, they got a little gift shop area. T-shirts, hats. Do not enter. All right, so it's closed, but they usually got pool back there. All right, so these are pretty much the most popular spots where everybody wants to eat at. Always got lines coming far up out the spot. You got a barbecue spot, and then you got Splash Cafe, like seafood and stuff. Very popular. And they actually opened up a brand new hotel over here to the left, and they have a rooftop bar. Check that out, you can see the whole beach. Panchos, it's kind of popular here for locals. Nice little surf shop. We'll take a quick little peek. And that's where you get all your surf stuff. And I think this is the girls' side over here. All right, we got hot licks. Candy. I think there's some more arcade down here. There used to be a spot where like the stores that go back inside. You know that spot? Is that right here? Nah. There used to be a spot where it goes back inside these stores. It might be this one. Is it this? No, that's another convenience store. So this is the Boardwalk. Looks like everything's all brand new, redone. And over there is the Rooftop Bar. You can check out the whole ocean. All right, and this is the beach here. This is the Boardwalk. This is the Pier where everybody's at. come down to Pismo Beach and have some fun. Looks like everybody's out enjoying the sun. Another restaurant right over here overlooking the water. Now, I don't know about this pier, but the pier in Avila Beach, as soon as you get over the water, you can have drinks. And they also got the Beachside Resort, so if you come get a spot right here, you know, you got the whole beach to yourself pretty much, especially during the weekdays. All right, and that's it. That's the end of the pier. You come down here, you can fish. I believe you can have drinks on the pier. Got a dude over here up on the guitar. And that's pretty much Pismo Beach. So come on down and have some fun. We'll catch you guys on the next one. And also, fun fact, you see that gray house up there? It's actually owned by Harrison Ford, Han Solo, Indiana Jones, right there. Fun fact.